Kenyans will recall that one afternoon in 1982, a few excited members of parliament set and approved the making of Kenya a one-party state. Those excited men and women who voted aye that afternoon in 1982 thought they were punishing other people. A number of them became the very first victims of the snares they thought they were laying for others. Which is why Jubilee's war toward of Kenya Kwanza must be the war of every Kenyan who treasure freedom, the rule of law, and respect for human rights, including the right to associate and to hold and express views freely. I must commend Jubilee Party for remaining strong, focused in the face of sustained state-sponsored onslaught. I am happy that the party recognizes its responsibility to Kenyans to defend and sustain our hard-won multi-party system. More importantly, I commend the Jubilee Party for continuing to fight for lowering of cost of living, electoral justice, inclusivity in appointment in public office, and abolition of excessive taxation of Kenyans. I want to assure you that we will fight this battle together and we will win it together. Failure is not an option.